Assalamualaikum and hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to take a photo using Raspberry Pi and make a hat. Just connect the Pi camera to the camera slot. In this project, I will use a buzzer and a push button on the maker hat. In this project, we have programmed the Raspberry Pi to capture an image after the button SW3 on pin 20 is pressed. You can only see the camera preview after you press the button. After 5 seconds of preview, the camera will capture the image. The image will be saved in JPEG format with the date and time as the file name. And run the module. So whenever you push the button, the camera will automatically capture an image after 5 seconds of preview. That's all. Thank you for watching.